Hello, my name is David Irwin, and I'm a product manager at Swimlane. And today I want to show you our new Agentic AI feature, the Hero AI Companion. So the Hero AI Companion is a AI companion that can work with you on any page in Turbine. So right now I'm looking at a dashboard for our SOC solution. So let's say I'm an analyst. I'm going to start my day. I look at the dashboard, see how things are going. But I'm going to ask Hero to help me figure out what to work on first. So I'm going to ask Hero, are there any new P1 cases I can work on? So now Hero's going to go look up the application. I gave it a clue as to which application to look at and see if it can find something that I can work on. So Hero found 3 new cases, 3 new high priority cases. So I'm going to pick one of these. You see with the results here, it includes a link. So if I click on this, it's going to open a new tab and open the record of the case. So all right, I'm looking at this. It's suspicious network share access. There's no description over here. So I'm going to ask Hero to summarize this case for me. So please, it always helps to be nice, summarize this case for me. So now Hero's going to go take a look at the values in this case, save me having to go to all the tabs and look at all the other records, and write a quick summary. Okay, so give me some details. It's a case of priority P1, severity of high, status of new, and some more details. Now, if I don't want to read this block of text in this, just over here on the right, there's always an option to go full screen. And so I can see it bigger. And this is great if you get a long list of things, a lot of stuff. In this case, it's not too big. So I'm going to go ahead and close this window and show you that it's asking me to confirm. This is because I'm having a conversation with Hero. If I close the window, I lose that conversation context. This is good if maybe you want to reset the context. If you're ever working with chatbots, you may find that. So I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close this. But now I'm still thinking about this case. Let me go ahead and ask Hero some more questions. So now I'm going to ask Hero to go find me, are there any other cases with this user? I'm curious about this. So are there any other Kim cases with this same user? So now I didn't have to give it the name. Hero knows how to pull the name from the case. In this case, it's Ethan Young. So go look and see, are there any other cases going on right now with the same user? Sure enough, it found 5 cases, so that's a little suspicious. There's a lot going on. And maybe it's all on the same machine here. So now I'm going to go a step further and ask Hero to go look for any known vulnerabilities. So I'm going to check my vFin application records with this same host. I'm asking about the host because vulnerability findings are attached to the host, not necessarily the user. And so I'm wondering, we got all these cases going on. It's maybe because we have some vulnerabilities and possibly a vulnerability and exploit on this same machine. So again, I didn't have to tell it the host. Hero's going to look that up and go query this application for me. And there I see. So Hero did find there are 9 records with that same host. It's giving me a list of the details of the top 5 of those 9, but I can see there's a lot going on here. So that's very concerning. Now I'm going to probably want to escalate this case or bring in a more senior analyst to help me with this. But what if I'm not an analyst? What if I'm an orchestrator? Let me show you how you can use the Hero AI Companion to help you with something out there as well. So let me go look at this component. So we have this curious component called the undocumented component. Probably a bad name, but it does indicate what I'm looking at here. So I've got this component. It's got just a single Python action in here, and I'm not a Python expert. Now look at this code. There are no comments. It's got a variable x in there. I'm not sure what it's doing. So I'm going to select the whole thing and copy it. I'm going to ask Hero to tell me what this thing does. So write a 1-sentence description of this Python. I don't want too much detail. 1 sentence ought to do it. So that was quick. So this Python code defines a function is valid. It checks if the given IP address is valid and determines whether the address is private or public based on the first octets. Well, that makes a lot more sense. I understand it now. So I could take this description, I could paste it in as comments for the next person to understand it better. So that's my quick demo of the new Hero AI Companion. If you have any questions or anything, if you want to see this for yourself or any other features to Turbine, please reach out and let us know. Thank you very much.